Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our classroom. It is filled with QB creators. We're featuring them today from 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Come, visit, talk, learn.
Hello, I'm Grace, and this is my booth. I make stuffed animal patterns and other sort of accessory and small things that aren't quilts. So come talk to me a little bit about my process of making just a ton of rough drafts that look really weird. And then come check out just the stuff. Rebecca?
Hi, I'm Rebecca. I do work with a lot with wool. As you can see, I create patterns and designs and teach classes here at the Bee. And you can see how I come up with my designs and learn some of the tools that I use and chitter chatter, because that's what I'm good at.
And next we have Wendell and his best half.
His best half. Hey everybody, Mr. Wendell here. This is kind of the overview of the things we've been tinkering with and like to do. I always like to take things kind of over the top a little bit. For instance, we took this OESD pattern of the Winnie the Pooh, which is adorable. And, you know, sometimes you want to embroider something, but you just don't know what to do with it or what to put it on. So I came up with the idea of putting it on this linen fabric and putting it in a shadow box. But then I thought, this is kind of boring and it needs to stand out more. So Steve creates the digitized all of the frames that you see here. So it's just another way to elevate a design. It's a great way to make a grouping for a nursery or something. He's the tech guy for sure.
Yeah, this shows the left side and the right side of the brain. The left side with all the technology and the right side for all the creativity.
Come by and see us.
And next we have Anuka.
Hi everybody, I'm Anuka. I write my own patterns. I've got patterns for quilts and bags and all sorts of fun things here. Also do some quilts and such, so definitely stop on by and take a look at all the fun stuff we have here.
And we have Kate.
Hi, I'm Kate. I am a fabric designer, so I'm here showing off our Quilting Bee exclusive collection of my fabric. And then I'm also going to have my computer set up here. This is kind of my workstation that I use at home. And I will be showing you a little bit of my process on how I create my fabric. And I'm working on a new collection right now that you can come in and see.
Well, thank you. And that's an introductory of all of our creators. So come by from 10 to 3 and today and tomorrow. Thank you for joining us.